Getting into your car shouldn't be a struggle. That's why we create custom in-car wheelchair ramps, making accessibility effortless. Strong, safe, and easy to use, our ramps ensure every journey starts with freedom. Because mobility should belong to everyone. Remote-controlled ramp opens and levels with the car floor for easy entry. Then it lowers to the ground to allow the wheelchair to roll on or off independently. The vehicle floor is lowered to provide enough headspace for comfort. After use, the ramp folds and stores vertically inside the doorway, saving space inside the car. The design ensures comfort and safety for all passengers. JSDesign has over 30 years of experience customizing vehicles for people with special needs. Feel free to contact us for any further information. We will be happy to help.